everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Thursday morning and I have so many things that needs to be done today, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. First of all, we need to go to post office. I need to pick up some clothes from laundromat. Grocery shopping is there. And today actually my son requested that he wants to eat cholay as well as the paneer butter masala with the jeera rice, so I'm gonna be making all that stuff. And I have already shared that recipe before, so I'm just gonna link it up here as well as in the description box if you want to see how I make it. But thankfully today it's not gonna rain, and so we'll just go and finish all the work that needs to be done, because from yesterday actually it rained a lot, so we didn't go anywhere. We were just in the house, and today I was like, that's it, I need to go and finish all the work, so let's go. UPS guys there, that means I do have some deliveries. So I ordered this macaroon from Dana's Bakery. I'm gonna link her shop in the description below, but she do have the shop in New York, and she do ship all around the state. And I heard about her macaroon from today's shows and other news channels, so I want to try it and see how it is. So I ordered it about 2 days ago. It came in the mail, and I'm just gonna open it and show you guys how it is. I love macaroon, and they are not that easy to make. It's really hard. And we do have the one local store that I usually go there and get the macaroon, but it's in the mall. It's kind of a little bit far away from where we live. So when I came across this one, I was like, okay, I can try it and see how it is. It's nicely packaged. As you can see, there is a bubble wrap in there. Ooh, wow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. There is an ice packet in there too, so there was a 2 ice packet, and this is how it looks. I got the custom one, so I can choose the flavor whichever I want it. So these are the flavor that they had it, so it's all of them here. And this is how it looks. So pretty, right? Looks so yummy. They all looks really nice. They didn't break or anything, so I'm gonna try it and let you guys know. So which one is this one? Mocha? Do you guys want it? Do you guys want hot? Oh,
It's mocha?
it's so good. The moment you put it in your mouth, it just melts right away. By the way, guys, I'm just talking to my kids over there. It's so good. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. I would highly recommend this, that you guys try this. So here we are at the Taco Bell, and as you can see, it's gonna rain anytime. And it was a lunchtime, so I thought, why not just stop by, get some food, and I'm just going drive through actually, because we didn't have a Taco Bell from very long time, so I thought we'll just get something to eat. And across the street there is a town center, so there is a bunch of other restaurants as well as the some stores are there too. So we're just gonna go to Starbucks, and if you are from state, then definitely you need to try this. I'm not sure about the Starbucks in India, but here they call the medicine ball, and the other name for that one is the citrus defender. Basically what it is, it's a lemonade, and they put some green teas in there, some honeys in there. It tastes so good, and especially if you have a sore throat or cold and cough and all that, definitely you need to try that because it tastes so good. So anytime when we go to Starbucks, I always try that because it's so awesome. And here we are just getting some of the stuff, and then after that probably we'll just go home now. So I picked up the clothes from laundromat. I did a little bit of grocery. There was not much that I need to buy, but I did finish that. And then I went home, dropped the kids because they didn't want to come with me. But I'm here at the Home Goods because it's been so many months that I came here, so I was like, let me just go and see what they have. And I also need to go to the Lowe's. I need to pick up one plant. So we'll just go inside and see what they have because I love coming to Home Goods. You know, if you are looking for, again, affordable, any kitchen items, any home items or anything, you should try Home Goods. So we're gonna go inside and see what they have. And here I got my coconut water. So usually, you know, when I go anywhere, I either bring my water bottle or I have this coconut water. This one I got it from Costco, and this is white up cocoa, but I'm sure you can find it anywhere. So I usually have something to drink with me. So we're gonna go inside and let's see what they have. Everything that is made in India. So nice. I really like this, you know, if you can put it on the dining table for the centerpiece. Look at those colors. They look so nice and bright. I really like this. This one is $6. I really like this one. But I want actually smaller one. This is big. So I just came back from Home Goods and there was nothing that I like it, so I didn't buy anything. But then after that I went to Lowe's and I bought 3 plants from there. And I'm sorry I couldn't record anything because my battery was dead. But after I came back I was so hungry, so I just had a salad and that's about it. But let me go ahead and show you the plants. First one, this is the lily, and I just put it here. By the way, remember this elephant used to be by my front door, but I just kind of put it there because I got another elephant over there. So I mean, I'm not sure whether I'm gonna keep it here or not, but I just put it here. And I bought this plant. So I need to replant in some other container. But that is the one of them. And the second one, I bought this one. This is again, it's a lily. Sorry, the other one was lily too, but that is the has like a purplish flower. This one, it's a white flower, and as you can see, it's a lily. So that's what it is. And the other one that I bought is this one. So I really like the colors on it. You know, I really like the color combination. So I just put it right there. Again, it's not gonna be like this. I need to replant in some other pot, and then I'll put it here. But as you can see, it's a nice plant. So I just kind of left it there. I was like, let me see how it looks. And the good thing about all this plants, you know, they don't require sunlight, basically this direct sunlight. So that's really good, because as you can see right now, I do get this sun from this window that we have by the main door, you know, so I do get the sunlight there. So I just kind of left it there. I was like, probably today or tomorrow I'll just replant them. So here my dinner is all ready. I made cholay, paneer butter masala, jeera rice, also the mango shake. And here I do have the frozen paratha, because I was so tired making all this other food. I just didn't want to make anything else. So these are the frozen one. Also I'm serving with onion on the side. And look at this moon out there. It's looking so nice right now, because tomorrow it's gonna be full moon. So it's really nice weather out there right now. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna end this video, and I will see you in my next video.